Hello, viewer. Well, it's warmer. Today's mission is to clear this ground area where the vestibule is going to be. We've got stones in that wall over there and stones in the wall over there, which at some point I need to harvest prior to the big digger guy coming and digging a trench all the way around the outside for drainage and stuff like that. Then I can put in a foundation, build my faux colombage, blah, blah, blah. But I've got to clear this bit first with all of the mess, spoil, and rubbish so that the big digger guy can crush the concrete that's here, because it's at all different levels and all different angles, then dig this down so that it's going to be a fresh concrete slab, which will be the same height as the boiler room behind you, which is going to be the bathroom. So that will then be a continuous floor through both. In order to do that, clear this, smash the concrete, dig out. Once I've cleared this, it also gives me the opportunity to put the scaffolding up here so I can have a look at the roof there. The roof at the back of the new end of the house is tiles for some unknown reason. All the rest of it is slates. So we're planning on taking those tiles off and replacing them with slates. The artisans over here are very, very busy. They have a long lead time for a job. So I have a suspicion I'm going to have to do that roof myself. We'll see. So let's crack on with all of this digging out. I shall go and get some tools. See you in a sec. As per usual, there's lots and lots of little things like nails, which I'm bound to step on. So, big nails. So I've got my little box here, which I'll put sharps and recyclables in. I could take those to the dump at some other time. Stuff like this, the vegetation, I might just pack up a bag because it'll either get recycled up at the recycling place, or we'll take it to our compost pile. As for the blocks of brick, stone, whatever, I'll just shove them in the corner over there, I think, for the moment, because they'll probably be buried. On we go. just use this as a tip. Oh, I may have mentioned that I'm unfit. Perspiration comes with that. Oh. If any of you are Orangina fans, you should know that in France there's now Orangina Rouge with red oranges, blood oranges. Very good. Well, a cursory look around shows that we've got possibly a door foot, I don't know, here, long piece of stone. There's a concrete slab there in the middle, and this area which you're sitting on is 3 different levels of concrete poured to flow down to a corner over there for some reason. But in between, here, and either side of that concrete, it looks like it's just soil. I mean, the fork goes in to quite a depth, so there's no point in trying to clear that up because it's just soil. We'll leave that to the digger to bash up. So I'll clear a little bit more space there so that I can put the scaffolding up, and then I can measure the edge of the roof for some. I'm going to need some OSB board to cover up a gap. I'll show you a photo just now of the side of that barn wall where it meets the new end. Right, let's collect up the slates, just in case there's any that I can reuse. I'll shovel off that area there. I might move you to this corner so that you can watch that way. Why not? Well, that's a pathway to the garden, which is a good thing, and a relatively clear space here for a scaffolding tower. I'm going to go and have some lunch and then come back and probably put up a scaffolding tower, have a look at that roof bit. See you in a bit.